This video is sponsored by tradercentral.com. Who are Trader Centrals and what did they do? Now, if you are a forex trader and of course you want like kind of funding for your trading account, then Trader Central is the best place you can go to get funded to start trading the financial market and start earning a living. And of course, Trader Central have been one of the most amazing forex trading site that almost every trader will be happy to have. Even if you're starting today, then Trader Central is just the best place for you to go. Now, if you can see, they have product, and then you can see funding, tools, marketplace, liquidity, and crypto. And of course, it's way too simple. All you have to do is to click on join now, and of course you will be redirected to registration page, and then you can register your site with Trader Central and start and get funded immediately. Now you can learn a lot. Academy, essential, then about them if you really want to know much about them, and then you can go to the about section, and if you need help to understand how it works, you can easily go to help center. Of course, Trader Central is just the way to go. All you have to do is to click here and you'll be redirected to a page where you register yourself and get funded. This video is sponsored by tradercentral.com. I don't want it to be all MT4 version all the time, and once in a while I put it upon myself to kind of create videos regarding the MT5 trading platform. I know that a lot of my viewers who are using MT5 up till this day. And of course, if you're using MT5 today, I want to upload a video. Today you are seeing a video that it's regarding the MT5 and super very important. Now guys, I don't know what to say, but maybe if I add the indicator and do a little bit of walk around regarding this indicator, then you're going to see how the whole thing works. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice, my name is Joseph Benson. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification icon in case I have a brand new video just like this one. Of course, you will be notified. Today's video is going to be a great review. I want to take my time to see that I review the whole thing for you step by step and show you how you can use it to make money with it. Okay? If you leave too early, there's no doubt you're going to miss the main juice in this video, so make sure you watch it to the end. And the most important part of this indicator, you can apply it on all the assets. I'm talking about forex, crypto, option, stocks, and the indices. With all this in place, more money in your account. Okay, but before we dive into this, let's roll in the intro. By the time we're back, let's talk about the whole thing. Okay guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a great one, and I'm having it right on my MT5 trading platform. This is MT5 IC market. We are looking at a very beautiful chart I'm having of NZD/USD 1 hour time frame, and I'm very happy to be sharing the whole thing with you. Now, this is the indicator. It's called reversed no repent MT5 reverse. It's about reverse and 100% non-repent. And for me, I don't even care. Repent or non-repent, I don't care, because I know every single indicator has a way its play, has a way it works, and all you need to do is to adapt, learn how every indicator works, understand the language of every indicator, and then you could be on your way of making money, whether repent or non-repent. Okay, have that in the back of your mind. Now, the link to download this very indicator is very much available in the video description below. The link is going to be a link to an article. If you click on the link, you'll be redirected to jobens.com, and jobens.com happened to be my personal blog site that I blog about forex just to add more value to the one you're already learning on my YouTube channel. Guys, I have downloaded the indicator and use WinRAR to extract it, and it's just a single file. You can see it's one particular file that's inside, and that is it. So quickly, let's head over to navigator and click on it, and then in case you're not seeing your indicator after you add it up, you right click and refresh. You didn't see it, just shut down your MT5 and launch it again, then your indicator will appear. In case you're seeing the folder like this, just click on this plus button sign to reveal the indicator itself. Just drag it and drop into your chart, and then make sure every other thing remains the same, and you click on it. Now, this indicator is non-repent, and this is what I'm trying to say. Now, since this indicator is non-repent, I think you're the boss. Alright, but before we dive deep into this, I want you to know that I'm on the 1 hour time frame. And why? 1 hour time frame happened to be the best time frame for me to trade the financial markets and make a good profit. And I'm always on the 1 hour time frame. I don't trade on any other time frame apart from the 1 hour. I don't even enjoy trading on other time frame apart from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now this is how the indicator look like. This is how the indicator look like. Everything is super cool and easy and non-repent. Now, one good point is you can use it to scalp the market. Now, if you want to make a lot of money, is to use it to scalp the market, because scalping the market is just the best way to go with it, and which I will be showing you step by step. Even in the lower time frame, I learned how to scalp the market. In the higher time frame, sorry, I learned how to scalp the market. Take a look at what happened. Now, those arrows you're seeing here, the blue arrow are simply to sell, and the red arrow are simply to buy. All right, and those arrows you're seeing, they're non-repent, they are fixed, and they stay like that. And I don't know what to say, but you know the best, right? Now, let me show you. Buying and selling is super simple. There's nothing you need to do and nothing too funny about this, right? Now, let's go like that and talk about it. First, if you want to buy, you want to see red arrow like this appear below price. Once you see that, well, you know what to do best. You don't need to waste your time much in the market. Take a short for buy and exit your trade on the next one. If you see a blue arrow appear above price, you know what to do. Take a short from where it starts and then exit on the next signal. Now, you can be trading signal to signal. From this red arrow, I can take a short from these candlesticks and then exit my trade when I see this. And when I see this red arrow, immediately I close the trade, I'll take a short again for buy. Now, you can be doing this time to time. And what you need to do is consistency. And again, if you have any other indicator you want to use it as a filter, why don't you go ahead and add it as a filter, and then you can go ahead and use it, which I'll show you one. Now, this another signal for me, I exit here, and then another one here, you exit there. Now, continuously, that's how you should be trading, okay? Continuously. Now, that's another one that happened here. Now, we have a buy signal here, but you enter a buy and you lose the trade because it went sell. Why? It doesn't repent, and the arrow is still there. Now you confirm that the indicator don't repent, because if this indicator repent, instead of seeing, you won't see this arrow here, you're going to see two arrows here, where the price finally the trend finally changed to the upside. Okay, you're going to see 2 or 3 arrows here together. So this indicator don't repent. You can see the arrow here is fixed. Instead of disappearing, it's still there, and the price went down and then kicks up. So now you can see how unique this indicator is, and how anyone can go ahead and start trading it. It's super very important, and I want you to always stick around and make sure the whole thing is there, and make sure you trade it to the end. Okay, and that's it, guys. Now let me clean this off again, and there's something again I want to say. Okay, yes, hold on. I think the next thing I need to do is simple. I'll quickly go ahead to indicator. I think I'm having here, then I'll go to trend, I'll go to moving average and click on it. And after that, make sure it's 50, shift 0, color of my choice and line thickness of my choice. I'll click on OK. Now, this is how I wanted to be trading it. If I were you, also, this is what you need to do to start trading the whole thing. Now, for me, it's super simple. What I need to do, I need to see if I see a blue arrow popped up above price. I'll wait until I see the price crosses below the 50 simple moving average. So immediately this candlestick closes, I'll take a short for sell and exit. And this is another one. I'll wait for this candle to close. On the beginning of this new candle, I'll take a short for sell and exit. And this another one already is below. I'll just go ahead and take a short for sell. Continuously, you can see that when it closes, I'll take a short for sell and exit my trade just the way I want it. Now, for buy, it's just the opposite and simple. Okay, let's come here. For buy, you want to see this red arrow popped up below price, and all you need to do is to wait until you see the price crosses and close above this 50 simple moving average line. So this candle closes above. From the beginning of this big bullish candle, take a short for buy and then exit your trades anywhere you want around this spot. And then this another sell, you can just exit on the closing of this one, take a short for sell like that. All right, this is how I trade with it. And after I think I've done like multiple backtests on this, I was okay with the result. The result is super useful. And now you can see another buy here. Super simple. Already you can see prices above the 50 simple moving average line, and the red arrow popped up non-repent, and then you take a short for buy and then exit your trade there. Another one happened here again. You don't even wait. I take a short immediately from here and exit my trade here, even though there's a pullback a little bit, but yet you're still in the money. So this is what you should be doing consistently, time to time, and then backtesting it on a demo account first until you understand how to use it. But with the help of 50 simple moving average line, you're the boss, because the whole team will put you together and make you understand how it works. Now, without having this in place, you can still trade it, but we want to know which particular signal are going to stay. Now, take another good example. The price is seen below the 50 simple moving average line. I'm talking about this black line, and now all the sell signal, I'll take a shot for it, but I won't go ahead and buy. All right, I won't go ahead and buy. And now you can see what happened. The buy signal never went, but now you can see the sell signals are all a winning trade. And this is how simple it is, because already, why? Because the price is seen below the 50 moving average line. So the tendency of this price to push even down more further is super high, and that is why I will totally ignore the buy signal and concentrate on only the sell signal once the price is below the 50. All right, and the same thing apply to the price above the 50. Now if I see, let me look for another price that I see. Okay, now this is another good example again. Let's take a look at this. Now you can see the price is clearly seen below the 50, and now we have a blue arrow. We'll take a shot, and then the price went down straight. And now you can see what happened with those buy signal. They don't went through, so it's a losing trade. You can see that they are all a losing trade. No, except this really went, but not to my expectation. Okay, so now you can see this blue star is totally a winning trade because it's seen below the 50. As long as the price is below the 50, go ahead and take a short for sell. Let me look for one more example for the price that are above buy. A buy that already above the 50. All right, I'm looking for it. Hold on. Now you can see another one that's here. I don't even waste time. Once I see any buy below the 50, I can see this is a good one. I'll go ahead and take a short for buy. But now you can see those ones here. It's a losing trade. They're all a losing trade. Okay, you can see those ones are losing trade because they never went. Because why? They're above the 50 simple moving average line. But anyone I see that is red, that red arrow below price, and the price is above the 50, I'll go ahead and take a short for buy and wait for my profit to get hit. And if I continue showing you this, this video will be super long, but I want you to download it on your own and try it, and until you understand it on the MT5 trading platform, go ahead and use it for real. Thank you so much for your time. In case today is the first time you're hearing my voice, my name is Joseph Benson. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification icon. In case I have a brand new video just like this one, of course you will be notified. I want to thank you guys so much for your time, for sitting back to watch this wonderful video to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys on my next brand new video, but until then I want to say bye bye for now.